welcome back to Food Prep Guide and welcome back to the Pantry Challenge. We are celebrating tonight because our hens laid 9 eggs. We haven't gotten a single egg since October, which is not normal. Our chickens usually lay throughout the winter. They just decrease a lot, but we haven't gotten 1 egg since October. At my husband's prompting and my husband's leading, we made some major changes about 10 days ago, and today we have 9 eggs. So it's breakfast for supper night. We're so excited. I have another make-ahead meal that I store in jars or bags that I can just quickly grab and go, and this is our pear pancake recipe. Now, if you don't have pears or you don't like pears, stay tuned because you can use this with other stuff, which we'll talk about in just a minute. So in this bag, as always, I will have that recipe typed up for you in the blog and linked in the description box below. But in this bag is flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, pumpkin pie spice, egg powder, and powdered buttermilk. So I'm just going to open this bag, pop it in my bowl, and to this I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any kind of oil that you want. It's winter time here, so my coconut oil is solidified, so about 30 minutes ago or so I just set out some coconut oil to come to room temperature so that it would be easy to mix. Okay, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, or any oil that you want. Also went ahead and put my skillet on low medium heat. And this recipe already does have egg powder in it, but I noticed that it was kind of dry, so I'm just going to go ahead and add another egg, both for moisture and protein. And then 1.5 cups of water. And then I'm just going to whisk that around good. So we use, like I said, this is called pear pancakes, and that's because we use pear butter for this. But the only reason we use pear butter is because my grandmother has a pear tree, and she invites us over each year to help her harvest, and then we get to take some home. And when I, had that resource offered to me, I knew that I wanted to figure out a way to work those pear preserves into our regular menu. And this pear pancake recipe is one way that I've done that. But you can use any type of fruit that is the consistency of applesauce. That's basically what this is. It's basically just a pear sauce. But applesauce would work. If you have canned fruit, you could run that through your blender and use that as well. That would be good. Okay, at this point, I'm just going to put a little bit of this ghee butter in my skillet. You can use whatever butter or fat you want, just to keep the pancakes from sticking. Butter is super expensive these days, so I'm going to switch to ghee for a little bit. Oh, I forgot to add my pear. That wouldn't be good. Okay, let's add this pear sauce real quick. This pear butter. This is what really gives it so much flavor. And remember that original blend, or in the flour blend in the bag, has pumpkin pie spice in it. That makes it really good too. I was thinking it felt a little more thicker than usual. These are very, very thick pancakes though, so just be aware of that. Okay, and then I usually just do a 1/3 cup measuring cup, and that's how I dish out our pancakes, but you do it however you normally do pancakes. And we will serve these with our, fresh eggs. Yay! Praise the Lord for that, especially with the way egg prices are right now. What a blessing. Okay, I'm going to let those cook for just a minute and I'll show you the finished product, what it looks like. And here we are, quick and easy. Pear pancakes, you can see they're a good bit darker than your traditional pancake, and that's that yummy pear sauce, pear butter. This is just a simple way to use fruit preserves that you can or buy at the store and work those into your regular menu. And remember, you can use applesauce, that would be really good too. We're going to scramble up some eggs and we have a complete meal, breakfast or supper. Hope you all enjoy. Bye.